Hello and welcome back to another video. In this problem, we're asked to find a formula for the inverse of the function, where we have y is equal to x squared minus x. So the way we're going to solve this is taking the inverse of the function means we're replacing x with y and y with x. So y equals x squared minus x becomes x equals y squared minus y. And it might not seem super obvious on how to isolate y here. What we're actually going to do is we're going to subtract x from both sides. We have 0 equals y squared minus y minus x. And in this case, we have a quadratic of y in terms of x. So we can use the quadratic formula. Y is equal to negative b is the negative of the middle term, so that's just 1, plus or minus the square root of b squared. Negative 1 squared is 1, minus 4 times a, the first term is just 1, don't even have to write it, 4a times c, negative x, over 2a is 2 times 1. Remember here that the variable in question is y. So the reason that a, for example, is 1 is because this is 1y squared, negative 1y, negative x times 1, or y to the 0. So this is y in terms of x, or 1 plus or minus 1, negative 4 times negative x is plus 4x over 2. And this is the inverse of the function.